Okay, so we're ready to play our game, and our game is going to be using compound words. So compound words are two words that are separate, but when you put them together, it makes one big word. So they're two real words that go together to make one word, like the word ladybug. Ladybug Girl was the title of our story. So lady is a word by itself and bug is a word by itself, but when you put them together, it makes one word, ladybug. So I have a list of words that we're going to use. There are 8 words, so when you break it apart, they make 16 separate little words. So what you're going to need is you're going to need to cut a piece of paper into 16 squares. So if you fold the paper in half and cut it right down the fold, your parents can help you if you need help, but ask when they're not busy, okay? You can take that half, cut it again, fold it again, and we'll cut it in half again. And you can use any paper for this. I actually already have my game made and I used a different color. So you can fold it in half again. Keep touching those edges and folding and cutting right on the fold. And then you take that and fold it in half again, and you're going to use cards that are about this big. So we need to make 16 cards that are this big. Okay? So do that, and then come back to the video. So pause the video, make your cards, and then come back. All right, now if you've already made your cards, now here is our list of compound words that we are going to use. Toothbrush, birthday, ladybug, cupcake, baseball, fire truck, lunchbox, and rainbow. So I'm gonna back up. That way you can take a screenshot of this if you need to, or pause the video right here. Those are the words we are going to use. Now, I've already made my cards. So if I show you, I made my cards in blue and I wrote a word on each card. So together, lunchbox, rainbow, fire truck, cupcake, birthday, toothbrush, ladybug, and baseball. So I already made my cards for you. So what you're going to do to play the game, you're going to flip them all over. Molly's going to help me flip them over. And we're going to mix them up. So you're going to have 16 cards and mix them all up. Then you are going to lay them out into a game board in nice even rows. So maybe 4 rows of 4 would be a good game board to have. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, another row of 4, another row of 4, another row of 4. Now, to play this game, you can play by yourself or you can play with a partner. And what you're going to do is you're going to take turns flipping over 2 cards and see if you can make a compound word. Go ahead, Molly, you can go first.
Box.
Put your card back where it was. So that way we remember box. So what was the other word that would go with box?
Brush.
Box, brush. Not a compound word. But we both have to remember where those words were. Okay, Mrs. Macrina is going to pick, ooh, lady. I'm looking for the word bug to go with ladybug. Lady base, that's not a real word. Now it's Molly's turn.
Bug.
Bug, what goes with bug?
Lady.
Lady, what word did you make, Molly?
Ladybug.
Okay, put the 2 words together and see if it makes ladybug.
Ladybug.
It does, so she gets to keep that pair. All right, so then it would be her turn again, because if you get a pair, you get to go again. So that's our game called Compound Word Memory Match. Have fun.